Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with BMO Harris Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure a credit card with BMO Harris Bank, begin by visiting the official BMO Harris Bank website. Look for the credit cards section on the home page. Click on that section to view the various credit card options available. Choose the credit card that suits your needs best. Once you've selected the card, click on Apply Now or Get Started. You'll be directed to an application page. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your financial details, such as your annual income and employment information. Review the terms and conditions associated with the credit card. If you agree, check the box to indicate your acceptance. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your application has been received. You may receive an immediate decision regarding your credit card approval. If approved, you will receive an email with further instructions on configuring your card. Follow the instructions in the email to set up your online banking account. Log into your online banking account with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section of your account. Here, you can activate your card, set up alerts, and manage payment options. To activate your card, click on the activation link provided. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Set your preferred payment method for future transactions. Review your account settings to ensure everything is tailored to your preferences. If needed, use the customer service contact options for any additional assistance. Congratulations, your BMO Harris credit card is now configured and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.